I'm Dave Erb from Dave's Ultimate Automotive in Austin, Texas, and we're going to be talking a little bit about replacing a turn signal lens or cover. Today's vehicles, you will notice a lot of this. In the older days, you used to have screws coming through the outside of the lens or cover, and you just pop that off and replace the cover of the lens. In today's construction, the last 5, 8, 10 years, you'll see a lot more like this, and this is to get a seamless look. Whether it be an SUV type vehicle or a regular car where you open the trunk, you'll usually find a couple of screws on the underneath of that lid. You just pull the screws out. And then what you'll do from there is you'll have to actually put some tension on the outside edge and pop it out. It almost feels like you're going to break it sometimes, but it'll come out. It has these little narrowed arrow-looking things that pop into body tabs, and sometimes they can be a little tough. So don't hurt the paint and don't crack the lens, but you might have to pry that a little bit to get it out. Unfortunately, today there's no cover to be replaced. If you break the lens, you really just have to buy the whole assembly. Hopefully, you can get a used one. New ones can be a little bit expensive, but you can't really just get the cover. So if you break one, you got to bite the bullet and get the whole thing. To reinstall, you just start by putting the tabs in the little holes. Pop it back in, get your screws. Screws go back in the same holes they came out of. And you're good to go.